told you I was going to show you. How's that looking, huh? There. I told you I was going to show you that zip. When Mommy was vacuuming, it must have pulled up at least 1.5 feet. I'm showing you exactly where it is. Can you see it? It was right here. All the way from there to about there. Look at that. See? That took me a while to do that. In fact, there's a little strand here that came up. I'm going to have to come in here and glue that down. But it looked like it was really bad. And I spent, 2 hours, 2.5, 3 hours on that. A little bit at a time, an inch at a time, and put that all back in there. Okay? All right. That's all I wanted to show you on this video. Sorry it took so long to do that, to get that glue to start working. But you can use Crazy Glue Gel or Gorilla Glue. And see, it says Super Glue, but you want to find the one that says Gel. So Gorilla Glue, Super Glue Gel, and Crazy Glue Gel, so that it comes out in a gel rather than just a stream of like water. You know what I mean? And you'll be able to patch it yourself. And I'm still working here, but when I get that done, I'll have that all cleaned up. I assured her, yes, when I get all done, it's going to look like I was never here. And that's the goal every time I do a project, and hopefully that's yours too. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.